That's right. I think there's someone down there, though.
Nixie's at 5-4.
What?
Nixie's at 5-4.
Oh my God! Oh, I was gonna say. Oh my God! Why didn't you tell me it was raining today, dude?
I told you.
Oh my God!
I told you.
All right, I'm gonna set this right here. All right, dude. Hang on. All right. All right.
Oh my goodness.
All right, it feels like it's letting up a little bit. Not really, but. Get up there, you son of a bitch. All right. That'll be okay.
I'm gonna.
7, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, just be careful. Same thing here. You don't want to go out of bounds left. If anything, you want to aim for. You know what we do here, right? We aim for that hill on the right.
Yeah,
You want to pull
yeah,
down.
yeah.
Okay, you got it. I'm just tripping.
You tripping?
I'm tripping, dude.
Don't trip, please.
My bad.
What? I don't mean tripping.
Well, means a few things, but. Ooh, hang in there. Nice. It's gonna be a great shot. You're gonna be right up against that fence. You'll get a free drop to move it away from the fence if it's on it. All right, let's chill. All right, no, you're right. Well, let's finish this hole and then get down to the shelter on the next. Hit this ball on the green, if possible. Okay, here you go.
I think easy na you.
I'm gonna use a pitching wedge and just try to like. Oh my God, I suck. That was a great miss. Oh my God.
That's a great miss.
I'm so bad, Kaito.
I'm gonna get 56.
Okay, let's go meet up at your ball.
Okay.
You can actually take a drop, like, you can take a drop, free drop, like right here. Somewhere right here.
Okay.
Yeah, do you got enough room to, without hitting the fence behind you? Okay. Excellent shot, man. All right, yeah, bring your clubs up here. I'll leave the umbrella here for you. I'm gonna Texas wedge this thing again. Seems to be working out for me. Here you go, get under that for a minute. Here you go. Okay. All right.
You made it.
Man. What'd that, a 5? 1, 2, 3, 4.
What?
Shit.
You didn't get 4.
I got a 5, man.
Why? I thought you were gonna get 4.
I should have gotten a 4, but I'm not any good.
I'm gonna do
Texas wedge let me down, man.
Yeah.
You want me to take the flag out, or are you good?
I'm okay. I can handle it.
Okay. Yes, you can. Holy shit, Kaito. You got a 3?
1, 2,
You did. I gotta step my game up, man. I gotta step my game up. So what's the score now?
Huh? I did not draw.
You gotta do the score, man. I think we're tied now, or maybe I'm winning by 1. I don't know. I think we're tied now because I was up by 2. I don't know. Do the score when we get to the 6th, okay? Like all that just fog just rolling in. Smokey and the Bandit style. Fantastic. Get a little bounce off there. Nice. I don't know how you can do much better than that, man. That was a really nice shot. The driver's getting so much better, man.
You think so?
Yeah, dude.
I think it is same shot always like that.
Jesus, you scared me, man. Well, maybe. Come on, baby, be the one.
Don't be on.
Oh, just a little short. Well, the rain stopped.
Yeah? We don't need that. It's little rain, little bit.
Yeah. I don't know, the worst might be over for now. Look at this fog coming in. I don't know if it's going to rain.
Where's the fog?
See how we can't see the trees in front of us?
Yeah?
That's stuff blocking it. That's the fog, that moisture in the air.
I thought this is a fog.
I think it's starting to cool down. Maybe it is going to
I thought
rain.
you saying this fog.
Not frog, fog. Oh, man. You are... I got to teach you more English, man.
I hear a frog.
Yeah?
I hear it. Frog. So.
I believe you. I want to believe you.
No, I see it.
All right, man. Focus on this next shot. What club you using? Pitching wedge? Pitching wedge?
Yeah. Maybe no.
Which you gonna use a 7? A nice easy 7?
Easy 7?
Yeah, like a nice easy 7. Like you've been practicing.
About a 4 for you.
Huh?
Like this.
Well, yeah. There you go. Holy shit, dude. Make sure you mark that ball and wipe the mud off of it.
Okay.
That was a great shot. Wow. Didn't get it there. Mother of... What? I'm Texas wedging all of this stuff, dude. You didn't mark the ball and clear the mud off of it like I told you to, man. Do it right now, please. The ball's not gonna roll right if you don't clean the mud off of it, man. What are you doing? Look at that big thing of mud on the right side of the ball, and where'd you miss the hole to? On the right, man. Holy poop. Yeah, wipe that off. And thanks for leaving your club, like, right in the middle of my shot. Holy crap. You gotta get it together, dude.
Yeah.
You gotta get it together, man. You gotta get it together. I got a 4.
You got 4?
Yeah, this is for 4 for you too.
I thought you got 3.
No, I got a 4 because I had a bad second shot. gonna say, don't even think about don't go that way, Kaito. What are you doing? You out of your mind? Take the stairs. God. I knew exactly what you were thinking about doing. I don't know why.
What the?
Go down the stairs. You're going first. I'm watching you go down the stairs. It's too wet to go down the hill.
I want to take right here.
We're gonna have so much mud in the car. Don't even. We're gonna be so muddy in the car as it is. Not like it matters, but I've already gotten the value out of my vehicle.